Dear students, in this video, let us solve 2021-22 KSEEB Science Model question paper. Biology part. The plant hormone that causes wilting of leaves is. Before answering, let us learn the functions of all the hormones given here. Cytokinin. Cytokinin promotes cell division and also responsible for better development of fruits and seeds. Auxin. Auxin makes plants bend towards light. Abscisic acid. Abscisic acid retards growth. Example, wilting of leaves. Gibberellin. Gibberellin help in the growth of stem. Now the question is, the plant hormone that causes wilting of leaves is. Correct answer for this question is abscisic acid. Next question. The correct sequence of reproductive stages occur in flowering plants is. Correct answer for this question is option A, gametes, zygote, embryo, seed. Next question is, the site of complete digestion of carbohydrates, proteins and fats is. Correct answer for this question is option D, small intestine. Next question is, the unfertilized egg of human female contains. Sex chromosomes present in women are X and X. Single gamete or unfertilized egg contains one X chromosome. So, unfertilized egg has one X chromosome. So, correct answer for this question is option B, one X chromosome. Next question. The folding up of leaves of a sensitive plant, touch me not plant, on touching with a finger is not a tropism. Why? Folding up of leaves of touch me not plant is not growth related movement. So it is not a tropism. Next question. What are analogous organs? Group of organs which are similar in function but different in structure are called analogous organs. Next question. What is the role of decomposers in an ecosystem? Decomposers break down the dead remains and waste products of organisms. Next question. Why are traits acquired during its lifetime of an individual not inherited? Acquired traits do not cause any change in the DNA of germ cells. So, acquired traits are not inherited. Next question. Draw the diagram showing the structure of nephron and label Bowman's capsule. Next question. Write any two differences between biodegradable and non-biodegradable substances. Biodegradable substances, non-biodegradable substances. Biodegradable substances undergoes decomposition. Non-biodegradable substances do not undergo decomposition. Not harmful to the environment. Harmful to the environment. Example: leaves, paper, garbage water. Example: plastic, insecticides, glass. Next question. Write a grassland food chain and name the different trophic levels in it. One example for grassland food chain is grass, grasshopper, frog, snake, eagle. Grass, first trophic level. Generally, first trophic level organisms are producers. Grasshopper, second trophic level. These are called primary consumers. Frog, third trophic level. These are called secondary consumers. Snake, fourth trophic level organisms. These are called tertiary consumers. Eagle, fifth trophic level. These are called quaternary consumers. Next question. The flow of energy in an ecosystem is unidirectional. How? Justify. In an ecosystem, source of energy is sun. This energy obtained by the sun moves unidirectionally in the food chain. The energy captured by the autotrophs does not revert back to the sun. As energy moves progressively through the various trophic levels, it is no longer available to the previous level. Therefore, flow of energy in an ecosystem is unidirectional. Next question. Write the flow chart to show the breakdown of glucose by various pathways in the cytoplasm of living organisms. The first step is the breakdown of glucose into pyruvate in the cytoplasm. In the absence of oxygen, in yeast, the products of respiration are ethanol, carbon dioxide and energy. When there is a lack of oxygen in our muscle cells, products of respiration are lactic acid and energy. In the presence of oxygen, that is in mitochondria, products of respiration are carbon dioxide, water and energy. Next question. Explain the function of stomach in the human digestive system. In stomach, gastric glands produce gastric juice. Gastric juice contains hydrochloric acid, pepsin and mucus. Hydrochloric acid creates acidic medium to facilitate the action of enzyme pepsin. Pepsin digests proteins. Mucus protects inner lining of stomach from acid. Next question. Explain the human Male reproductive system. Parts and functions of male reproductive system. Testis, production of sperms and testosterone. Vas deferens, carries sperms to the urethra. Seminal vesicle and prostate gland both secretes fluids which help in the transportation and contain nutrients for sperms. Next question, it's too long to read. Parent plants given in the question are red flowered tall pea plant and white flowered dwarf pea plant. Gametes produced by these plants. All F1 generation plants are red flowered tall plants. When F1 plants are subjected to self-pollination, gametes produced are Now let us draw checkerboard for F2 generation. Let us write gametes of one parent plant on one side and gametes of another parent plant on other side. Now let us fill the checkerboard. Ratios of different plants produced in F2 generation. Dihybrid cross ratio 9:3:3:1. Next question, what is speciation? Mention the factors could lead to the rise of a new species. Process of formation of new species is called speciation. Factors responsible for speciation are natural selection, variations, geographical isolation, and genetic drift. Next question, draw the diagram showing structure of human brain. Label the following parts: cerebrum, cerebellum.